when I asked for my first cycle, I told my father I need a cycle. He told, okay, fine. You score 80% in your whatever class I want. I don't know. Okay, fine. Don't want I don't want cycle.
So that was kind of adamant. If you will not give me that, okay, that's
you be the initiator today. Let us see if I can join the discussion.
okay. Now today's generation is how to nurture your child in a perfect manner. That means I want to say how to say no to your child. Like if your child demands something, even though you are capable of doing that stuff comfortably, but there should be a limitation. There should be a boundary where you have to say no, because if you will not start saying no, and if your child not start habiting like used to habit that word no, it could be a problem in the future.
Okay.
So
the word is habituate.
Yes, habituate. Yeah,
Habituate. Okay.
yeah.
If you don't habituate the kid to hear that word no, then he will always demand, and he will never want to hear. He would never want to hear a word no at all in his life. So you need to habituate the kid. That is wonderful topic.
And also the child should understand the value of money from very early age, because yeah, this is the two topics that I really want to discuss, somebody. So you just said.
Okay,
And
fine. What now? See, you have two experiences. You have your own experience. You were a kid and your father did some things which you learned. Now you have your own kid in front of you, and you would want to do XYZ in order to teach your kid what you didn't learn. Okay, now tell me your perspective, your relation between your father and you, and now how would you want to make that better when the same relation is between you and your kid? Tell me the contrast.
Yeah, the first of all, if I talk about myself, and then I understand the value of money from very early age, so that is a good thing. And also, whenever I ask something that I want that thing, this thing, like my friends do, like my friends' fathers doing, buying expensive gifts, so that I also demand to my father that I also want that expensive gift. So my father always said to me, what is the use of that expensive thing? You will buy you will buy that thing, and after 2 days you will throw that in the dustbin. So value the things that is more important to your life. Like if you want something that you want to study material, then I can help you, because that would help you to progress further. So my father always tried to understand the value of the things, and the things that is really important. First of all, you need to ask yourself, that thing is really important for me, that I really want to buy, that I'm really pampering to buy that thing. So that was the thing.
Tempting is the word. Tempting is
Tempting.
the word.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So that thing I also I carry forward that education, that skill to my kid as well. So whenever my daughter is asking for something, that gift and this gift, so I always fulfill his deed, but I always uh, put a gap between that. You bought that thing, so this time no. If you study, if you show me some the good result, then I will think for that. So I started making habituate that word no. So the kid is
See,
understanding. Yes,
I
yes.
want to object here. I have a protest here to make. Okay, why do Indian parents make demands transactional? Why do you want to make it transactional? My father also did it. My uncles also used to do it. If I ask something, they say, you come first in this class, I will give you this. Why is it transactional? Why can't it be necessity based? Is it a
Because
problem with Indian parents?
yeah, because we are doing the same stuff like generation to generation.
So your
We are not
father.
yeah. Yeah. So this is the thing. If we want to learn something, because the child will not take seriously. So we need to some conditional things. We need to put some conditional things, so that child will think, yes, if I complete that homework, then I will get a car or a small toy, whatever she demand or he demand.
Okay. Okay.
So
You
there
know
should
what?
be a process.
When I asked for my first cycle, I told my father I need a cycle. He told, okay, fine. You score 80% in your whatever class I want. I don't. Okay, fine. Don't want I don't want cycle. Go.
So that was kind of adamant. If you will not give me that, okay, that's fine.
No, see, with time, I took it as I took that reply as a idea that my father used to not buy me things. I told there is no way I could score 80%. I told, okay, fine, don't buy me at all. Fine, I'll ride my friend's cycle and be happy with that. But
So that
today,
is the good thing. That is the thing. You are happy, you are fine. That is. I think most of the child do not have that skill. That if you don't buy, then
okay.
I'm okay. That is the thing. Yeah.
Do you know how
You
many kids today? How many kids today? Just because the parents tell them or they don't buy them costly or smartphones or mobiles, the expensive mobiles, they just go and hang themselves or kill themselves. Is that because what you're telling that today's generation they are not in the habit of listening to no? They don't want to listen no. They
yeah,
just want
you know,
yes.
I have some of the parents example that like even my uncle's child who always demands something this and that. So my uncle used to fulfill all the requirements, like all the needs, whatever he wants. He want that phone, he want that laptop, he want that tablet or like iPad. He demands everything, right? So there is a time when after he grew up, there is a time when when my uncle starts saying no, like I think after a couple of years, so it was too late to say no. So when my uncle said to no, then that child starts doing that stuff that you won't believe. He just putting head on the wall. He just showing tampering or like pampering whatever he feel. I want that thing. I don't want to understand what you have money or not. I just don't want to listen. I just want that thing, this thing. So when I heard that thing, that news, then I realized that is the problem of the guardian. If that my uncle stop during his early age, very childhood age, then that would be then this case will not come. Like he's showing so anger. Even he's like 20, 30 age, even he's demanding something this and that. He never understand my father has retired and he is not able to afford so expensive laptops or that this and that. He's still demanding so this and that thing. So yeah, I can say, like in my opinion, I would say that my uncle has destroyed his growth. He does not, he did not nurture his kid in a perfect manner, because even though you are rich, even though you can fulfill every need of your child or whatever you have, but you should have some criteria to fulfill. You should make them understand the value of the money, the value of the gift, the everything, so that you can fight for that the life.
What are now whenever you buy something for yourself or whenever your daughter asks demands, I think your daughter is old enough to demand some things or she's a young
Yeah. No. When she watch some television, then she want that. Why I want that. Why I want that thing. This and she's just turned 5.
no what's the age of your daughter?
5.
Oh, she's a small kid. Come on,
Yeah,
we can
she's
forget.
just. No, even though that the things will start from the very early age. So that is the thing.
Absolutely.
Or
Okay, let us not talk
even
about,
yeah.
let us not talk about your daughter. Okay. Now, when you buy something for yourself, okay, now you seem to be very thoughtful person when you want to buy something. Now, when you buy something, what are the criteria that you set for yourself after which you go and buy that?
Yeah. First, when I want to buy something, then I ask myself, is it necessary? Is it necessary to buy that thing? You know, like last year, I wanted to buy a Royal Enfield, right? Even though I can buy that bike, then I ask myself, are you really want to buy that thing? Are you not happy with your current bike? So the answer replied to me, that is say no. I don't want to buy, but I just want to buy. The thought arises because I just want to see, show somebody that I have that Royal Enfield. Then when I ask deeply inside myself, then the reply comes out that no, you should not buy that thing. That is not the necessary part of really, because you are married, you have so much responsibility, liability. So that is not the important part right now. So when I ask myself, then the reply comes out. So whenever I start thinking that I want to buy that thing, so first of all, I ask myself, so is it really necessary for that thing? Even though I want to buy a new laptop, right? My laptop is like 7 years old. I still am working. It's working fine. So my wife suggests to me, you should buy another laptop. Then I ask myself, is it really necessary for right now? Because I'm working fine. I have nothing issue. Is it something that I want to buy the laptop because it is old now? So when I ask myself, then the reply comes out very clearly. So
Yes.
this thing,
You know
yeah.
what? A Royal Enfield is something that even it's my secret wish that I should own a Royal Enfield. But then even I have the same criteria as like you. Why now? I mean, I don't have enough money to spend on that. But you know what? There is one good thing that has come into the market now. You don't have to own anything to fulfill your wish. You can rent it, and that is what I do
Yeah,
now, isn't
yeah,
it?
that is the good thing. Yeah. Even though,
So you,
when I wanted to buy a Royal Enfield, because I wanted to ride in a Himalayas. So even though when I go to the Manali or Shimla, you can rent it. So you can feel that experience. So that is the thing.
absolutely,
Yeah, and
absolutely,
this is very good
absolutely.
thing. Yeah.
Now
So
I want a, okay, fine. I want a Royal Enfield. Fine, I'll do that. I'll go and I'll rent it for 3 or 4 days. 3,000, 4,000 bus. If I have to buy
yeah,
it, it will cost at least 1.5 lakh for me.
yeah, more
I'll
than
have
two
to put
lakhs
that
because
money.
the
More
the
than 2
the
lakhs.
Royal Enfield was looking for, that was 2,20,000. So it was too much. So it is not necessary.
You know
You just
what?
fast ask yourself.
As a kid, when I'm sure when you were a kid, and when your father used to give such replies to you that no, this is not necessary, no, this is costly, no, we will not buy this, no, it is not needed. I'm sure you must have been very angry at that point
Yes,
in time.
yes, yes.
But now
Yeah,
you're grown up, and now you thank your father to for having refused you all those luxuries. I'm sure you
yes,
you must
exactly.
have thanked.
I understand the really, because it is really the part of the life. If you get everything in your early age, then there would be no taste of your life. Now I am grown up, I am self-employed, I can earn whatever I wanted. So I can feel the taste of whatever I want to achieve, whatever I want, some gift, something what I wanted to do in my life. So like it is a part, right?
What is the biggest thing? What do you remember is the biggest demand that you made from your father during your younger days, and he fulfilled it?
I wanted a bicycle, right?
Ha ha
When
ha.
when I
Okay.
was in school. So my father always said, no, actually my father is ready to give me that bicycle, but I wanted
Okay.
that bicycle, that that strong, that one
Ha ha ha.
strange.
MTB,
Yeah,
MTB or
yeah,
something used
MTV.
to come during that
So
phase.
my father was not comfortable to buy that, because that bicycle was costly during that time. So
Ha ha.
I was crying, I was just showing, I was just showing my anger. So I want that thing, I want that. So entire that day I was angry with my dad. So on the next day my dad said to me, yeah, okay, go on, you will buy that thing. So that was I
What
remember.
changed? What
Yeah,
changed? What changed your father's mind that he was ready to buy you
I
the
was
bicycle?
angry, I was not talking to my dad at that time. So my father comes out, okay, go on, buy it. So I buy it.
Okay.
So I was so happy because I got that bicycle which I was looking for. Because in the school, everybody has that bicycle. So I was just in the dream that I wanted that bicycle. So I demanded to my father. My father was not ready for that bicycle. He was ready for that bike, normal bicycle, but was not ready for that bicycle. So I just requested, angry, yeah, angered. So it was
Okay, that
it
was
was a
that is a
happy moment.
wonderful experience. That, yes, that was really, you feel angry for some time, and suddenly when that thing comes off, you feel on top of the world. You feel like you have won a lottery or something.
Yeah, it's all about the part of the life you experience, you feel it. Yeah, we even we are experiencing something new every day in our life,
Yes,
day to day life.
See, I commend you for many things that you said, Chandan. That is the way to bring up your kid also. Teach them the value of money. I mean,
Yes,
we didn't discuss the generation gap, but whatever topic you brought up, it was worth discussing, and it was a good discussion also. Just some feedbacks I
exactly.
would want to tell. See,
Mhm.
there is no such. Whenever I talk to you, I don't find any mistakes. In grammar mistakes, nothing is there. You just need more practice and better words. Now you need
Yeah,
to build vocabulary.
yeah,
Start building
yes,
vocabulary now. That's it.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
that is
yes.
what my suggestion is.